great thing about the workshop with fitogram is that we have a startup that's already scaled up to 4 countries, beginning in microservices architecture, and has several examples that we can work from. In the first track we learn about React and the ecosystem surrounding it. In the second track we focus on back-end development and REST API architecture.
From a bigger picture, we believe that nothing should stand between people and their passion for sports. From one side, we help all the users to find their favorite sports activities, and from the other side, we help the studios to completely manage their business.
A workshop with N3XTCODER gives you the opportunity to quickly navigate through these various choices and make the best decision for yourself.
React was our favorite choice from the beginning because it's easy to use as a JavaScript developer and you can start fast.
In the age of microservices, good REST API design is a must in your skill set. This workshop is about finding these common anti-patterns and at the same time talking about the philosophy of REST while diving deeper into HTTP than you've ever been before, hopefully. Join us Saturday, June 23rd with fitogram and N3XTCODER.
Apply for a great day in Cologne and learn about React and REST APIs and have a beer with us. A Kölsch.